Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks. It is a Friday, September the 4th. Tonight we are breaking Boombox F-Bombs NFL jerseys. This here is a 2-box break in which we did random team sales for you. You can see just to the right we've already randomized the teams, randomized the customers, and alphabetized the customers. That way they could see who they hit a little bit easier. Gave me ample opportunity to trade. All the trades have been entered. Prior to the break, we randomed up our remaining cases. We got case 2 and we got the boxes 1. So we're breaking box 21 and 22 in our series. Here we go, fellers. Pop of your seals. Box feels heavy to me, folks, so think we're going to have a double for somebody. We'll see what kind. Boom! Well, that is going to be a Bengals hit in the Andy Dalton. That is going to be Andy Dalton. 30 is your ticket number. But it is also going to be a Joe Mixon double hit, folks. Boom, baby. How's that for a little box? Guys, you got $50 in Boom Box and 2 jerseys plus the Gilmore qualifier, folks. Cincinnati. Douglas. Well, Doug, not a bad little hit for you, bud. Wise, I'm sorry to everybody else. Zach, make sure you add that to Douglas's credit, folks. Nice little double hit there. Actually, a triple hit in that baby. Alright, Doug. Nice hit. Alright, guys. Our next box. Pop. Well, boom! It's an example of, I tell you guys, fresh case does not means nothing compared to what we pulled, folks. That is going to be the Sack Exchange New York Jet hit, folks. Signed by all 4. Also has a JSA signed by all 4 players. That is going to be an Irish Pride hit. Well, bud, you finally got in a roll the last couple breaks there. You pulled the bet out and the Sack Exchange. I'm sorry to everybody else who did not hit. Bender, everybody else, guys, I'm really sorry to you all, but that is gonna wrap up that 2-boxer, folks. Not a bad break if you ask me. Y'all have a good one.